Okay, what we have here is a Sirui, I believe how it's pronounced, tripod, and it is the 3T35K. So I've seen this online a lot now, and I've decided, well, you know, it looks pretty good, so let me see what I can get. So hold on, this is my first opening. So you know what that means. You gotta smell this bad boy. Hang on. Nah, doesn't smell anything. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna set the box to the side. And let's take a look here. Now, I'm starting to get a lot of tripods, and I might make a video on what tripods I like and so on and so forth. But let's take a look at this one. This one looks pretty promising from what I like to use my cameras for. Okay, so it's got a nice little bag here, a little carrying case, silicone stuff. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Let's take it out. So, got a little bag here. Of course I researched this, so I know this is a shorter, little shorter leg. This is the black model. Set that over there. We got some the hook and some tools. This is good, but let's take a look at the real deal here. Let's see here. Seems pretty heavy already. Let me move this aside. So here we go. It's all metal. Feels all metal. Yeah, feels all metal. Very, very nice feel. Oh yeah. And it looks like you can put the legs down like this. And let me zoom out a bit so we get a better look at it. So, you know, you can hold it like that, which I've seen. Then you could lock the legs and you could stand it up. Oh yeah, that's really nice. Really, really nice. And then you could like make it longer if you want. Tighten it down. Yeah, everything feels really, really solid and good. Now the ball head. Yeah, let's see, so here we go. Yeah, I really like this, guys. It's really a nice, little pricey though, for sure. I got a B&H, but it's really a nice tripod stand. Because I like it like a selfie stick. I know I've had other selfie sticks, but all right, hold the phone. This was supposed to be an unboxing of the Sirui. Well, what happened was I did the video and I started playing with this thing. And you know what? To begin with, I love it. This thing is a great purchase, even though it's like 60 bucks, $61. But I love this thing. But what I found out very quickly is the ball head itself. So what is the problem? I don't like this ball head whatsoever. Why don't I like the ball head? Well, it's only got one knob to loosen the top and to pan, and really it should have two. So if you can see, I just loosened it and look, now it pans. Once I tighten it, it doesn't pan anymore. So I'm changing this video because what I want to do is I want to replace the ball head. So let me show you what I have and what my thoughts are. So first I'm going to take off the ball head, and As you can see, it just unscrews. Just like that. And now there's a bottom plate. So here's this situation, the problem, and so on is when I started looking at different ball heads, this particular ball head is pretty small. So what I got is I got a measurement here, and to try the base dimension, which is roughly like 37 centimeters in diameter, meaning that the ball head itself is, hang on, right about the same measurements. So I started looking on eBay, and these bases can get pretty damn big. You know, this is, what did I say, 37? I've seen some for like 52 centimeters, millimeters, I don't know, whatever. So I have a Mi Photo. Now this little guy has exactly what I'm looking for. You know, it's got the knob for the, so it can pan. Let me tighten it up. And another knob to loosen the very top. So when you put it together, like so, it does fit. And that's what it would look like. Well, you know, I wanted to keep the Mi Photo together on the tripod that I have. So what I ended up doing was I was trying my other Mi Photo for the larger one to see, hey, what would happen if I put a larger ball head? Let me show you that. Give me a second. But first, before I go to another ball head, let me show you this Mi Photo, which is just about the same. Just about the same. Is it going to focus? But, you know, the thing is, you can't find these on eBay anywhere. They don't sell just the ball head. It makes 0 sense to me that Mi Photo does not sell the ball head. I mean, it's a pretty good ball head. It's not like the top of the line or anything, but hey, that would have worked for me if I would have found a black one. Because I kind of want to keep it all black. But let me show you a larger one. Okay, so here's another Mi Photo. This is actually the Q1. The other smaller one was the Q0. In this particular case, you know, you do have the screw for the panning. You have the screw to release the top plate. And then you have a screw to have a tightness for the top plate, so it could be really loose or it could be semi-loose. But this is a larger base, and so I've been doing 37s, and this particular one is, hang on, so this is a 43. So let's see what the 43 looks like on a 37 base. All right, let me screw this in. So as you can see, there is a little lip over the base, but you know what? It doesn't look that bad. Now, the problem with this is, whew, it makes it really, really top heavy. I mean, the 37, it was much lighter, but this bad boy is pretty heavy. So, outside of the lip being larger than the base, it's not that bad, and it does work. So I could possibly get a larger base, but the weight of this guy just ain't cutting it. Just ain't cutting it. So, I mean, if you put these two next to each other also, you can see the height differences. So what did I end up doing? Well, I was looking on eBay, different sizes, you know, the $25 ones that you see on eBay for the ball heads with the larger bases. Well, I could have done it because this was $60, so it was already expensive, and I'm thinking about changing ball heads. And you know, if you look at ball heads, man, you can see them like $100+. But anyway, let me get to what I finally did. I did buy the Sirui Ballhead. This is the C10S. Now, yeah, this was $65, $69, and man, expensive. But it was exactly what I was looking for in size and features. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. Okay, so let's do another unboxing. So there's two unboxings in one video. Alright, so let me open this bad boy up and hang on. You know what's next. Smelling. Oh man, that actually smells pretty good. Wow. Alright, what do we got here? We got a pouch with the Sirui logo. And we've got some paperwork with a tool. Very nice. Well, I'm not going to open this up. I'm sure it's just, you know, how to clean it and how to put it on, so on and so forth. But let's take a look at what we're here for. This bad boy. Alright, let's take a look at it. So, here we go. The Sirui C10S. Now they have three different colors. I believe it was blue, red, and black. And I wanted to keep black with the black. The colors, it's kind of hard to find in my opinion. So, it kind of worked out for me. So, what we got is we got the pan screw. Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, it's kind of, as you can see, it is panning, so that works. And this should release the ball. Yep, there we go. And how does it feel? It feels pretty good to me, you know. A little pricier than what I wanted to spend, but heck, you know, it's a pretty good deal. And of course there's this red release for the Arc Swiss plate. Let's see here. Oh yeah, you can see that. Okay, so there's the Arc Swiss plate that comes with it. It's got the Sirui logo. Come on. So let's see the diameter of the C10S. Okay, here. And that is just, what, 39? So it's slightly larger than its cousin, the original 3T 35K. So if you look, man, it's very, very close. I mean, we're talking very little. Now the heights, as you can see, if you can see, that this one is much taller. Wow, so I wasn't really expecting it to be that much taller. Let me get this a little out of the way. Look at the difference in height. Wow. So this one's much more of a monster. God, I wish this would have had that panning screw. So let me set this down for a little thumbnail action. Let me move this. Let me come on, it's that light that's kind of bothering me. Oh well. So anyway, that's my God. Can I make it even better? Oh yeah, let's put the Sirui logo. Sorry, trying to make my thumbnail awesome and I don't like it. There we go. All right, so let's put the C10S on the handle here. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. So is the lip. Man, I'm telling you, it is so close to the size, you can't even tell. That's slightly larger. And I'll tell you what, this really feels very nice. A little overpriced for what I wanted, but you know what? It's much better. It's not as heavy as this Q1, even though you can't even find this on eBay. So there you go. So in my opinion, if you do decide to get the 3T 35K Sirui tripod, I would suggest getting another ball head if you have the funds. But I'll tell you, I love this thing. This thing's awesome. So, thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.